Welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this natural looking style. I used the hair Sensational Lulutress Kinky 4B, link in the description bar. Alright, so this is my braiding pattern. The hair looks very bulky after you put it in, so I would not advise you to make your braids that small, but that's my braiding pattern. Everything connected in the back. So every pack of hair comes with 2 bundles. So what I'm gonna do now is just to get one section of hair from that bundle, and it comes with an elastic band attached, as you can see right there. So to get the elastic band off, I'm just gonna be separating the hair in 2 and just pulling it, and that's all you will need to do. Alright, so after the elastic band comes off, you will see that there are several pieces of hair attached to that section. So what you want to do is just to grab one piece of hair, get your crochet hook, push the hook through the braid, put the hair onto the hook, close the hook, pull the hook through the braid, take the hair off of the hook, push the hair through the loop, make a knot, pull it through, make another knot, and yeah, I think that was a bit fast, but I'm gonna slow it down for you guys soon. Open loop, push the hair through, twist it on your hand, push the hair through again, twist it again, push the hair through, and that's like a triple knot. So with that knot, you will not have the hair slipping out. Because this hair is kind of silky, it will be easy for the hair to slip out of your cornrows if you only do one knot. So the aim is to have like 2 or 3 knots, alright, and you'll be good. So I have a really small section left at the front, so what I'm going to do is just to separate the hair into smaller pieces, and that will be better. The smaller the braid, the smaller the section of hair should be. Alright, so when you have 2 cornrows and you want your middle part to be in the middle of those 2, you're going to push the crochet hook toward the other braid. So let's say I'm doing the braid on the right. I'm gonna insert the hook so that it goes toward the braid on the left, if that makes sense. So you can just watch and see what I'm doing here. So basically what you want to do is to attach the hair like you normally would. Grab your loop and you pull one section of the hair through, make your knots, and that's it. The second section of hair that you didn't pull through, you're just gonna keep it firmly in your hand. So for the front, because I don't want the large crochet needle to break my hair, I'm gonna use a smaller crochet hook that I have. I actually bought a set of crochet needles. It comes with different size needles, so I will leave a link in the description bar so you guys can purchase that. So once you're doing like your edges or so on, you want to use smaller needles, especially with your smaller cornrows, because my hair breaks very easily. So if your hair breaks easily, or if you have very thin strands like myself, then a small crochet hook is a definite necessity. At this point, I was just tired. I made this video for demonstration purposes. So I'm gonna fluff the hair out, add some mousse, and do some trimming. Okay, fluff, fluff, pull, pull. Alright, so I'm using the Babasu Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse by Mael. Alright, you can use whatever hair mousse works for you. So the mousse eliminates frizz and it also adds a bit of shine to the hair. So I'm just applying that all over my hair. And once you apply the mousse and you run it through the strands, you will basically see the sections that need to be cut. Like right there on my right, yep. You can see that those areas need to go, so I'm gonna cut it. Basically, you just wanna hold the scissors downward when you're cutting so as to maintain the shape of the hair. You don't wanna cut it straight across because I'm not going for like a bob or anything. So I'm just trying to maintain that shape, so I hold the scissors downwards. Yeah. Pretty easy. So I'll be using this comb for teasing. As you can see, it has some medium, small sized teeth, and then the red teeth are the extra small teeth, so they will help with the teasing or the back combing of the hair. So basically, this is used to achieve a more natural look. So as you can see, I'm combing my hair, the crochet braids, toward the root of the hair or toward the cornrow. And that will kind of make the part that you're seeing there a bit smaller and make it seem as if the crochet hair is coming from my head. That section there of my hair, it's irritated me. I didn't even bother putting any hair at the ends of my cornrows because I am very tender-headed, so I just said I would wait a couple of days, you know, when my cornrows kind of start to loosen up, then I would put some hair there. But yeah, when I saw how cheap this hair was, I had to buy several packs, but I only used 2 complete packs in my hair, $4.99 each. That's $10, guys. And as you can see, guys, this hair looks very natural, kind of like after you apply your moisturizer on your wash day. Yeah. But really though, this hair is very soft. It looks very natural. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, leave them in the description bar below, or you can shoot me an email. All the details that you might possibly need will be in the description bar below. Okay guys, bye bye.